everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share detail about ByTrading, where you can start your next level experience according to their Telegram group link in video description. I am going to show you live trade how this can be done. In a session, if you are new on my channel, you can subscribe. This video is for just educational purpose only. First of all, link in my video description where you can easily create your account. For that, you can put your email. You can also get the code on that and put your password of 6 to 8 digit and referral code in my video description I will provide. After that, you can click on the register option. After login successfully on this platform, you can start your trading, but for that you have to start making strategy. Here is also the balance. If you want to recharge, you can click on the top up. You can choose from $10 to so on. Choose different payment method, TRX or TRC20. I am going to choose here 200 or 100, and then we can click on the next option. There will be QR code and address. We can use that if you want to proceed. And once it will be done, you can easily go ahead. That on the home interface, there is a calculator. You have to click on it, and there you can choose Bitcoin. Only that you want to make strategy. Here I am going to choose BTC. There is my balance, and these are the things that we have to follow on different stage wise. So now I have taken it as a screenshot, and on the left side you can also check out how we are going to making it as a new strategy. So now we come back, and here is also the game section. You can check out. There are also Bitcoin game and many other. I am also going to start with that. And first we have to open it, and there you can check out Bitcoin. Here is also the playing number, that is 709. So in the group, I can also show you 709. We have to choose the odd, and there is also like what the number we are going to choose. There is given number, and here you can check out the chart analysis. Here is our total balance. You can easily check out. I will also show you how to start. There is also 1 minute, 3 minute and 5 minute. According to that, their Telegram group have been created. Link in my video description and you can check out. In the group, if they are going to say to start trade on the odd, then you have to choose. There is big, small, odd and many other. So you can choose according to it. And here are also the rules and bonus as a partner on this platform. So it is also very good platform for the people who want to start trading. And there are also the smart assistant, like there is 710. If you want to check out, there is also the 710, and for that here you can also check different number. So how to start trade, I am also going to show you now. I am going to start trade, and here is also 713 as a round. So here you can check out 713. We have to choose big on the 2.5x. So there is the big 2.5x. It means we are going to choose their number on the second stage 0.246, and then we have to click on the start rate. And in this way we can start according to the analysis, and here you can check out after 20 seconds we will get 713 result, and I will show you here. We have get a result for the 713. Here you can check out 714 is also now about like 713 result is also the win situation. 714 is also odd on 1x. So 714 on the odd and 1x 0.098, and then we have to click on the next. And like one stage has been done, take and second you can also check out within 15 seconds. It will also be analyzed here. Like there first we have get the positive result, and 714 result will also be announced here in this group within 7 seconds. So now I am going to show you here. And if you are going to lose Noju, there is 715 for the odd and on second stage according to this chart. So we are also going to follow that. Next we have to come for the 715. that is odd, and 2.5x. So here is the odd, 2.5x is mean 0.246, and then we have to click on the next to proceed. Within this second that has been given, like 25 seconds, I will show you result for the 7:15. Now guys, you can check out within 2 seconds for the that we are going to play is also the win. Yes, this is good thing that we have found here. And in this way, you can also go ahead to start trade, as I have already shown you. And now you can also check out my total balance, that is 1 into 101 point something. And if you want to check some asset details that has been given here, and if you want to withdraw, that is very simple. Bind your wallet address and choose withdrawal recipient address. In this way, you can also get your fiat currency by this platform too. If you want to invite your friends, make team on this platform, then here is also the copy link that you can share, and then you can also invite your friends on this platform to get on different number of reward. And here so you can explore further details about ByTrading and how it works with the reward. Everything you can find here. So if you are beginner, you can start here details. There are also the invitation, there is calculator that I have already shown you. If you think something that you should ask, you can also drop your thought in comments. See you next week. Till then, take care.